If somebody cancels their order with you, you should be sending them emails. My name's Gavin, I run an email and SMS marketing agency, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to build a canceled order flow within Klaviyo using either a Shopify or a WooCommerce integration. Now, really quickly, you're gonna hear me say some stuff like, hey, we talked about this in our school community in this video I'm about to go through. That's because this was recorded as part of my school training program, and there's a link in the description of this video. If you wanna become a better email marketer, check that school community out, link in the description. Anyway, let me show you how to build this flow in Klaviyo. So here we're going to talk about the canceled order flow. Now, if you're watching this in school, note this is going to be in conjunction with some of the other automations that we've built out. And this is actually going to be the 11th flow that we can build out within Klaviyo. Now, I would classify this flow as a low priority flow, but it can be really well done and useful in both getting conversions to then get that, repeat order rate back in after somebody's canceled, and also getting great deliverability. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out, it's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community, and if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video, let's get back to it. So, you actually have access to this board in the description of the video. Basically, all we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a flow that is triggered off of the canceled order metric. We're then gonna go ahead and have no flow filters, okay? And then you have a 5-minute delay. You want this 5-minute delay because you wanna have enough time to register if somebody's order gets refunded as well, okay? So after 5 minutes, you're gonna send people to a conditional split, and you're gonna say refunded order equals 0 in the last 1 day, okay? Now, what this is gonna do is it's gonna allow you to send 2 different types of emails. On the left-hand side, this is gonna be a simple, your order has been canceled. You're gonna let them know that if this was not what they wanted, that they should reach out. You can also provide them with support and contact details, and you also wanna make sure that there's a dynamic product block within that email. Now, if they have refunded their order, you wanna send them the same email, right? But you wanna also include details and information around the refund process. That is gonna be crucial. Now, a cool thing you can do too is you can actually get these emails marked as transactional. So let me show you how you can create this flow within Klaviyo. This is great at this is essentially a transactional email. Allows people to get notified about their items that have been canceled. When you get them marked as transactional, it improves the deliverability of your whole account. These get better cut through. So let me show you how to do this. You're gonna go into Klaviyo, you're gonna click build your own flow, call it whatever you want. We're gonna say here, create manually, and you're gonna go your metrics, Shopify, if it's Shopify, and you're gonna hit canceled order. There you go, that is your metric. Canceled order, add your 5-minute time delay, 5 minutes, hit save, conditional split, what somebody has or has not done, refunded order, 0 times, in the last 1 day, email 1, email 2. Turn this off after the email is built. So after you build the email in Klaviyo and it's ready to go live, you want to go ahead and click this button here, apply for transactional status. That's going to improve your email cut through, where it lands in the inbox, and ultimately improve your overall deliverability within your account as a whole. Really important you do that. That is how you build the canceled order flow. Super simple, okay? I've also given you metrics, or rather codes, that you can add to the email to dynamically display the actual content within that email itself. So take that, copy and paste it. In the next module, we're going to talk about how to build the refunded order flow.